Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up Deepseek AI account. To sign up Deepseek AI account, first you have to go to the sign up page in the official website that is deepseek.com, or you can use the application itself. You can download the application from your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. Then tap open the application. Once you open the application, it will lead to this login page. To sign up, tap on the sign up button right below login button. Now you have to enter your email address right here. Make sure that it is valid. After this, create a password. Make sure that your password is between 8 to 50 characters. After this, enter your password again to confirm. Make sure that it matches the password that you have created. After this, tap on send code. Before Deepseek sends you the code, you have to solve this puzzle first. Once you do this, you have to go to your Gmail account and check your inbox. Tap on the mail from Deepseek. Scroll down and you will see the code. You can copy the code or enter it manually. Go to the Deepseek app again. Then enter your code right here. Once you do this, confirm that you have read, consent and agree to Deepseek's terms of use and privacy policy by tapping on it. Now tap on the tick mark. And here you go, you have successfully signed in to Deepseek application. The Deepseek app offers advanced features designed for efficient data source exploration and analysis. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.